Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make a website on Wix Studio. So for this video, I am going to show you on how you can start creating your website from scratch and how you can customize your website using a template. So first, we're going to build our website. So the first thing that we should do is to open any of our web browser and then search for Wix Studio. So just click on this website, and once you've done that, you'd be directed to this section. So when we scroll down, be able to see here the overview of this online website. So yeah, we can now start creating. But before that, we are going to talk about the pricing first or the plans. So just click on the pricing option. So right here, we have different plans that we can subscribe to. You just find the right OX Studio plan for each client. So we have here Enterprise, Elite, Plus, Standard, and Basic. So the price will vary to the plans that you are going to choose because it has different features. So for you, if you're just starting to use OX Studio, so I suggest you'll start with the basic plan. Okay, so next thing that you should do here is to simply click on start creating, so you'd be able to sign up for an account. So for me, I'm just going to click on login and continue with Google. Okay, so I can also continue with Facebook if you want to. Then after that, just connect it to your Google and you'd be directed to your discover section. So right here, you can get started with a studio template. So we are going to discuss this studio template later on. So just go here to the site section, and then right here, if you're already using Wix Studios, of course, you'll be able to see here all of the websites that you have created. So now, to create your own website, you just have to simply click on the create new site at the top right of your screen. And then we have here an option where we can choose between a studio template or the studio blank canvas. So we're going to start with the studio blank canvas, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be directed to your page. So now that you're here, we only have the home page since we are going to build a website from scratch. So the first thing that we should do here is to design our homepage. So yeah, before that, just go to the manage pages, and here we can add new page. So here we can add a standard blank page or a dynamic page. So for this one, I'm just going to add a standard page. So say for example, we are going to add another page and we're going to name this one as our contact page. Okay, and then let's add one more before we start designing each of these pages. Okay, so just clicked on it again and clicked on the manage pages, and then clicked on add new page, and then clicked on add, and then just have to name this new page. That's right, and then after that, just clicked on enter on your keyboard. So now that we already have the three pages, for this example, I'm just going to use three different pages. So let's start with our homepage. So going back to our homepage, let us start customizing this one by changing the color of the background. So here for your color pickers, you can also custom your color. So after selecting a specific color, make sure to click on the apply so that you'll be able to see your color. Okay, and then just have to close this one. So now that we have the color for the section, so let us proceed and change the color of our header. So for example, I would like to use a lighter color for this one. Okay, and then if you would like to change the name of your business, of course you have your own business name and then your own logo. So to do that, you can also go here on the add element section, and here in the quick add, you can add like image, title, paragraph, buttons, container, stacked, and more. And we also have here our assets. We have sections, wireframes, container, layout tools, text, buttons, and more. So yeah, we are going to discuss these things later on. So for example here, if you would like to add a specific sections, so you just have to simply drag and drop that section. Then you'd be able to see that right here. So I think this one is irrelevant, so I'm just going to remove this one for now. So to remove a section or an element, just clicked on this return icon. So now let us change our business name right there. You just have to simply click on the section, and then you just have to remove the text and then add your own. So I'm just going to name this one as a sample website. And then if you'd like to change your vector art or upload your own icon right here or logo, you just have to simply click on it and then just have to click on upload media from computer. You can also use media from Wix. You just have to search for a specific logo that you want to use. Okay, so I think I am going to use this one for this example. So you just have to click on it. And after that, just click on the add to page option at the bottom right of your screen. And then here we already have our business name and of course our logo or the vector art. So now let us try to add more element for this section. So just click on this plus icon at the top left of your screen and then go to the quick add. And I would like to add images for this homepage. Okay, so just have to select the image and then we can copy and duplicate this one. Okay, and then after that, to change the image, just simply click on this one. And then here you can search media from Wix or upload your own media from your computer. So I am going to use this one. Okay, and then for the second section, I'm going to click on the change image as well. And then select your image and click on update. So for this section, we have successfully added these things. Now let us try to add a footer or a new section. So for example, we would like to add this one. So you can just click on it or just drag and drop. So now that we have this section, we can now add a footer. So to add a footer, all you have to do is to just simply go back to the add elements and then go to the footer. Okay, so now let's go to our contact page. So right there on our contact page, we have an empty design. So here just have to go to the sections. And then here, let's try to find the contact, or let's go to the contact and form. So right there, we have different templates that we can use. So let me just find a perfect template for this page. So I think I'm going to use this one. And then after clicking on it, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be able to see that contact form right here. So for this section, we are going to add a footer. So to add a footer, you just have to go to the add elements. But before that, let me just change the color of the background. Okay, so I think I need a lighter color or a darker one. So I think this one is good. And then the next thing you should do is to simply click on the add elements option at the top left and then go to your sections. Okay. And then here we have the footers for the navigation. So here we have different templates for the footer. So you just have to select the template that you think is the best for your website. So yeah, I think this one is good. So I'm going to use this one and then just have to close it. And then after that, you'll be able to see here now your footer. So you can now start customizing this one. Okay, so we are good with our contact page. Now let us proceed to the last one. Okay, so all is good. So yeah, you just have to arrange this one and then put the footer below. So let me add it once again. Okay, so make sure to select the section so that when you click on the footer, it will be added automatically to that section. Okay, so we are done with our contact page. Let us proceed to our product page. So for our product page, since we don't have any product yet, I'm just going to use here a grid. Okay, using our layout tools and then add here different images. But before that, I'm going to change the color of the background as well. Then go to the add elements option at the top left and then go to the layout tools. Okay, and then here we have this different grids. So I'm going to use this one. Then after selecting your grid, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then you can now start adding all of the images of your products or all of the products that you are selling. Okay, just the same, just have to upload media from your computer. But for this video, I'm just going to use media from Wix. Okay, so let me just add here all of the images that we need. So we have to fill in all of the boxes. Okay, so let me just skip this part and add everything together. Okay, so we already have here now our product page. Just a disclaimer, this is just a sample, so this is not actually our product, but that is how you can add your product, or can, add your product page using the Wix template. Here for the menu, as you can see, we only have the homepage menu. So just go and manage your menus and then select all of your menus. So when you click on apply, you'll be able to see here now all of the available menus for your website. So when we preview this one, and someone will visit your website, so when they clicked on this contact page, that be redirected to the page, and then for the product page as well. So all of the menus are working or functional. And then after finalizing your designs and all of the elements that you need for your website, you just have to simply click on the publish option at the top right of your screen. And then we can now visit the site live if all of the elements that we have added are functional. So we are done with creating our website from scratch. Now let us start creating our website using the Studio template. So here, just click on it and then click on a Studio template. Okay, and then right here, just have to choose a template and start creating. So here, take note that all of the templates right here are responsive. Okay, so here for the top picks, we have here different categories. And here as well, if you would like to navigate to a specific category, you just have to simply click on the all category section and then select your category. So for example, a one-page category, should be able to see here different templates that you can use. That's right. And then let's try another one for the company site. So yeah, we have this template, and then of course you can need to search for at the very top to search for a specific template. For example, our website is all about planting or selling plants. So here we are searching for a plant template. So if you think this website is good, so you can view it first. And then if you think all of the elements that you need for your website, so you just have to simply click on the edit template at the top right of your screen. Okay, and then after that, we can now start customizing this website. Okay, so let's just head over to the very important things that we need to know in customizing a template. So here, let's start with our title or business name. So just the same, just have to click on it, just have to select your logo or upload your own logo from your computer, and then change the name of the business. Okay, so after adding your own media, just have to close this one. And then the next thing that we should do is, of course, our products or our service. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have these products or the pre-built products. So you just have to click on it and then click on manage products, and you'd be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, so now to add your own products, all you have to do is to simply click on the add new product at the top right of your screen. Okay, just have to find this button, and then after that, you'd be directed to the section. So you can upload physical product or digital products. So of course, we are selling physical products, so we are going to use this one. And then right there, we can now add here all of the details of our product. So the name of our product, the images, we have to set the price, what kind of payment method. So all of the things that we need in selling our product. So we have to input those things right here. And then after that, just have to click on the save button and then just have to close it. Okay, so now that we are done that, just go here in the pages. As you can see, we have different pages using this template. So if you think there are pages that you don't need for your website, or it makes your website messy or complicated, So you just have to click on that website and try to see if what else can you do with that page. So to delete the page, just clicked on manage pages and clicked on the tree that's beside it. And then you have an option to delete it and then just confirm your action. And that specific page will be deleted from your website. Okay, so now that we are done discussing about the products, how to delete maybe pages, so here we can also set up our payment method. So I think this is the very first step that we should do, but we put it at the very end so that you'd be able to understand the concept on creating your website using the Wix Studio. So right there, just have to go back to our dashboard and then just have to select that specific site. So we are going to set up our payment method, of course, to start, receiving payment online or to start earning with our website. So we have to set up our payment method. So just click on connect payment method and we'd be directed to this section. So the availability of the payment methods, it will depend on your region. So right there, if we are to change your region, we'd be able to see more payment methods. So for example, USA. And then we want to accept payments via credit card or debit card. So we have this one right here. So just click on connect after that and then just have to take note on all of these things and then you just have to answer it and then click on accept and continue. Then here you just have to choose what kind of payment method you want to. And then after that, just click on continue. And then, of course, you have to take note that in order for you to start receiving online or payments online with your Wix website, you have to upgrade your plan in order for you to access this feature. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.